Hello students, good day. Welcome to our digital school. Today we are in a class of mathematics. So children, today we will take lesson number 13, addition by counting forward, part 2. Children, in our previous video of this lesson, we have done addition by counting forward. That is easier than counting one by one. We have done addition with the help of fingers. Today again we will understand the concept of addition by counting forward with the help of number line. Now let us take one example to understand that concept. Here Rama has 8 peanuts and Yash has 7. How many do they have altogether? So children, how to solve this question? First, read the question again and try to understand in a part. Let us read. Rama has 8 peanuts. Means Rama has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 peanuts. And the next part is Yash has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all are Rama has and these all are Yash has. So, how to do all together? So, first from this question take out what is given. First we have to understand what is given here. Here we have given here Rama's and Yash peanuts. Rama has 8 peanuts and Yash has 7 peanuts. So you have to write like this. Rama has 8 peanuts and Yash has 7 peanuts. You have to write like this. Rama's peanuts and Yash peanuts. Then, so you have to write like this. Then next, we have to understand what is asked. So in this question, what is asked? How many do they have together? Means they want the total peanuts what they both have. Means you have to combine this all together. What to do to find that total? We have to do addition because we have to combine that all together. So we will put the plus sign here. Then means they ask you how many peanuts they both have together. Means you have to do addition. For addition, we will count forward from greater number. That is 8. 8 is a greater number than 7. Then we have here 8 peanuts. So we have to count forward as many as step the smaller number. So we have here 7 as a smaller number. So you have to count forward from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We step forward by 7. So what you will get? Means the last number 15. Means total peanut we have here is 15. The answer will be Rama and Yash together have 15 peanuts. Children, now we will take one more example to understand with the help of number line. Again, first we have to read the question properly. Amar has 27 cups. He bought 5 more. How many cups does Amar have now? To understand this or to solve this, first we have to take out question what is given. So children, what is given here? Yes, Amar has 27 cups. The number of cups Amar has and how many cups he bought. Number of cups he bought more. That is given here in the question. Then, so how to write that? We have to write like this. The number of cups Amar has 27 and the number of cups he got more, that is 5. Then what is asked children here in this question? They asked how many cups does Amar have now? Means after buying that more cups, how many cups Amar have altogether? They ask total cups Amar have. To get this total, what to do children? We have to do addition. So put the sign of addition here. Then how to do addition? 27 plus 5. How to add this? We have to take the greater number from these two numbers. 27 is a greater number. So put your fingers on that greater number. Then how many steps you have to take? As many as the smaller number. We have here 5 as a smaller number. So we have to go forward by 5 steps. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The last number which we got here is 32. Means 27 plus 5 is 32. Means Amar has total cups after buying 5 more, that is 32 cups. Now children, I hope you understood how to go forward on the number line. Now children, we will take some addition problem and we will solve with the help of counting forward. Here we have number 1, 5, 15 plus 4 means you have to take the number 15 which is greater. Put the fingers on 15 number. Then how many steps we have to take is here 4 means we have to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 means the answer which we will get is 19 means 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Are you understanding children? means after 15 we are taking 4 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will get the number 19. Like this, we can add any number with the help of counting forward. Let's take one more example. Here we have 4 1 41 plus 9 means you have to add 41 with 9. So, which number you will take first? Yes, we will go to the number 41. And how many steps you have to go forward? That is 9 steps. Let's start counting, children. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last number which we got after going forward 9 steps is 50. Then the sum we got here is 50, means 41 plus 9 is 50. So children, have you understood this? The smaller number we are going forward. So like this, we can add any two numbers by going forward. Let's take one more example with the help of vertical number line. Here we have 8 plus 9. How to add this? Take any number from this. We will take 8 here. Then how many steps we have to go forward? The other number, that is 9. So let's start counting. 1, 2, after 10 it will be 11. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The answer we got here 17. Means 8 plus 9 is 17. Children, you can start with any number which is smaller, which is greater, and take the step of smaller number, as the smaller number is easy to count forward. So children, here which number should be added to 9? Then we will get the number or sum 16. Means we have to take how many steps after 9, then you will get the number 16. So you have to count how many steps till we got the answer 16. So first we have to go to the number 9. Then the answer will be 16. So we have to count the step here. 1, after 10 it will be 11, means 2 steps. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, means till 16 you took 7 steps, means the answer of this question will be 7, means 7 plus 9 will be 16. Like this you can able to do the addition problem with the help of counting forward. I hope you understood this lesson, children. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe our channel.